Nexpro Trucks and Equipment presents a new, innovative, and original truck design for your most complicated jobs. Available in two versions, the Colossus ST and the Colossus XL. These trucks are a reliable solution for even the most rigorous needs. From public service companies such as water and sewer services to public works, municipalities, and general construction, Nexpro Trucks provides varying options, offering a customized utility vehicle. Depending on the type of work, we can choose between different tools and equipment, which all work off a single motor. Demolition hammers, compactors, drilling machines, excavators, submersible water pumps, and a huge range of Stanley hydraulic tools, all operating from the truck's hydraulic system. With reliable hydraulic power and the high quality of Stanley tools, the ST and Colossus XL trucks are capable of doing the most varied and specific jobs with the greatest precision and power. The capacity and durability of the hydraulic systems guarantees the useful life and power of the equipment. Centralize the heaviest and most rigorous jobs in one single truck. Nexpro Trucks and Equipment, the most efficient way to work.